Okay, before I start this video, I need sunlight because it's kind of okay. So I have 0 subscribers, 0, or at least that's what I see on my screen. So if you could subscribe, that'd be awesome. Or just watch some of my videos, or just watch this full video. That would be amazing. Like, comment, anything on any of my videos. That would be amazing. Because I just, you see all those people that are famous? Well, not famous, but get millions of views, millions of likes, have millions of subscribers. On my own account, I had 39, something like that. Which, thank you so much. I lost that account. I've been doing this account for quite a while now. I think I should have at least 1 subscriber. So if you want to subscribe, like, comment, watch the video, which would also help, anything like that, please do. So, but you don't have to. It would just help me. Because I'm saving up for a cat, and I need $100 for that cat. Because that cat's like, the cat is $30. $35. But I also have to buy some stuff for it. So if you could watch this video at least, that would be amazing. So, thanks.